what was that? Okay, so in my last video I mentioned I'd be doing things a little bit differently this time, and I am. I'm not fixing dents, but I'm going to go and see a dent technician that is. In a second you're going to find out who that is. Just leaving Beverley now. Enjoy the trip. Yes, I've landed in Sheffield, also known as the Steel City, which is pretty ironic really, because I'm off to see a dent technician called Ben Ridley from TriDENT PDR. Let's go and see how he operates and also take a look at his YouTube channel. Ben's workshop is about an hour and a half away from ours, and he's invited me round for a cup of tea to have a catch up and to talk about anything dents, and to watch him repair his lovely Ford Mustang. Both these dents are on a roof rail, so we've set up the hail light so we can see the dents in a lot of detail. There's a small one and then there's a larger one a bit further back. These will need to be glue pulled because there's no access from behind. It's really interesting to see the different tools a technician uses. For instance, this lift right mini lifter, because it takes the stress off your wrist when you're operating the tool. This smaller dent was pretty standard to repair, just a couple of glue pulls and then some professional blending and the dent was gone. Looking good so far, just a quick cross check and then on to the second dent. These types of dents are not a problem for Ben to repair because he's been repairing hail cars for years, so he brings these techniques into repairing the smaller everyday dents. Another tool and technique that Ben uses to repair his dents, and it's the hot box with the long heat saver arm. This basically heats up the panel and the dents can be removed with just this, or it greatly reduces the damage and strengthens the panel up. For the last couple of years, us dent technicians have been getting together at dent shows and meets to talk about anything dent related, look at brand new tools that are coming out, talking about the industry and trying to pick up any kind of techniques that will help our businesses thrive and grow. But with the way the world is in 2020, there's been no dent shows and no meets, so we've not been able to all get together as much as we'd like to. So Ben and I were discussing this and the problems that we're facing not being able to get together and network, and we've come up with something really good and exciting. And we're hoping that it will really help out the UK dent repair scene and our technicians. So keep a lookout in the next couple of weeks on your social media. So you've just seen Ben in action and he's superb at what he does. He's got a YouTube channel. If you've not seen it yet, you need to check it out. Just type in TriDENT PDR, it'll pop up. He's got a lovely range of videos, superb quality, and don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, it'd be great to get a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you subscribed to the channel already, that is superb. If you haven't subscribed already, it'd be great to get you on board, because this really does help my channel grow. Don't forget Ben Ridley's YouTube channel as well. Subscribe to that one. You're going to be seeing a bit more of both of us in the near future. But for now, cheers.